Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're over at Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club here in Punta Gorda, Florida, and we are looking at this Victoria floor plan, part of the executive line of homes here at Heritage Landing. This home is available right now, lot 420. The Victoria is a 2+ den, 1,850 square foot home. You've got the side load garage. This one is not completed, but due to be complete here in the next few months. Let's walk inside here and take a look. When you come inside, your den is going to be on the left-hand side of the home here. And then directly across, you have your laundry, your garage entry. You have your guest bedroom here. And then you also have the guest bath here with shower. In the main entry area, you also have a nice sized closet here, and then it opens up really nicely into this great room design. So you've got a nice open kitchen here overlooking the great room area. And then this spot over here would be more like your formal dining spot right there. Over here, this is where your master bedroom is. Really nice sized master. You've got the corner doors going out into the pool area. You've got his and hers closets, and then nice master bath here. And you do have the tub. You also have the walk-in style shower, enclosed water closet. But outside, this is the best part of the house here. You have an amazing view from this home right here. It does not come with a pool, but there's plenty of room to add one on if you like. And look at that view right there. You've got a beautiful view of the lake here. And the Victoria is also a nice plan because it's one of the only floor plans that Lennar offers that actually offers a half bath out here on the lanai. And then also something else is this lanai covers almost the entire back of the home here. So great floor plan with the Victoria here. This one is available right now. If you're interested, don't wait. It's gonna sell quick. If you're interested, all of our contact information is below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee. We appreciate you watching.